Hi everybody, it's me Aidan. Welcome back to my cooking show, my little chefs. Today we're going to be making an animal style salmon burger. The ingredients that we're going to be using are hamburger buns, salmon patties, 1 cup of water, barbecue sauce, soy sauce, chopped up tomatoes, chopped up onion, chopped up lettuce, and smoked Gouda cheese. And that's all. The items that we're using are a pan, a bowl, a plate, a spatula, a paintbrush, not really a paintbrush, and a fork. The first step is making the sauce. We need to grab our fork, our bowl, our water, our barbecue sauce, and our soy sauce. First, a little bit of water, then grab some barbecue. Barbecue! Ooh, it smells so good.